morning, one and all. Today, our topic is interim restorations. So, according to GPT-8, a fixed or removable dental prosthesis or maxillofacial prosthesis designed to enhance aesthetics, stabilization, and/or function for a limited period of time, after which it is to be replaced by a definitive dental or maxillofacial prosthesis. Often such processes are used to assist in determination of the therapeutic effectiveness of a specific it, the factors affects are size of cavity, period, form and eventual restoration. Now coming to the objectives are maintains aesthetics, act as space maintainer, allow the tooth to function, act as a diagnostic tool to determine occlusion, establishes function and phonetics, allow the development of gingival contour, seals and insulates the prepared tooth, prevents passive tooth eruption and mesial drift. Now coming to the rationale of the treatment. Treatment may not be completed in one visit. It, uh, intermediate restorative materials are given and then the patient will be called and we remove the intermediate restorative material and then we will give final restoration. So there will be function, they will act as a function of tooth, maintain intra-arch relationship, prevent supra-eruption and it will give aesthetics. Now coming to multiple teeth affected by caries, the infected tooth structure is removed, restoration with temporary material is given and then when the final restoration is ready, we'll call them and give final restorations. So in this, advantages are infecting organisms are removed, further caries spread is arrested, time to assess patient compliance, oral hygiene, progress or arrest of caries is there. Now when a questionable pulpal prognosis is there, we can, it's like symptoms are there, then we'll call the patient and after 1 week we'll call and give final restoration. Now they have limit progression of demineralization. When we are doing like this, there will be limit progression of demineralization, pulpal healing will be there and there will be a formation of reparative dentin. Now coming to the materials, the interim and temporary restorative materials are divided into two. One is restorative and second is endodontic. Restorative are pulp which used for pulp capping, stepwise caries excavation, inlays and onlines and veneers. Endodontic are pre-endodontic restoration and temporary restorations. Now coming to pulp capping, there are two types of pulp cappings are there, indirect and direct procedures. Removal of caries by number 6 or number 8 burr, excavation by spoon excavator 31 or 33L, cavity flushed with saline and dried with cotton, covered with calcium hydroxide and sealed with SEDOE. Now coming to SEDOE, zinc oxide eugenol cement. It is the oldest and most widely used. Soothing action on pulpal tissues is the most advantage. Eugenol has topical anesthetic properties also. Now coming zinc oxide 69%, it is a reactive ingredient. White rosin 29.3 reduces brittleness. Zinc stearate 1% it acts as a catalyst. Zinc acetate 0.7% act as an accelerator. Now coming to liquid eugenol 85%, it it acts as reactor. Olive oil 15% act as plasticizer. Now coming to modifications of SEDOE cements. The first one is EBA, ethoxy benzoic acid reinforced powder. It is also available as powder and liquid, and the powder contain sedano and alumina. Liquid contain ortho-ethoxy benzoic acid. Now the second one is polymer reinforced SEDOE, and the powder contain sedano and PMMA. Liquid contain eugenol and acetic acid. Now coming to the manipulation of the SEDOE, we have to dispense the powder and liquid, divide the powder into increments, powder slowly incorporated into the liquid, heavy folding motions, and we have to pressure and heavy folding motions should be given, and remaining powder is added for purity consistency. Now coming to advantage, it is the least irritant cement with pH of 7, good short term sealing. Disadvantages: highly soluble, low strength, low setting time, and low compressive strength. Now coming to inlays and onlays. Here provisional restoration or auto-polymerizing resin, processed intraorally or indirectly on the cast. Well contoured, anatomically shaped provisional restoration is cemented with temporary cementation, ultimately removed before the final restoration. Basic systems for fabricating provisional restorations. Basic systems for fabricating provisional restorations are divided into direct method and indirect method. Now coming to direct method, easier approach. Directly we are doing in the patient's mouth. Inlay preparation, GIC base is given, then we will dry the cavity coated with petroleum jelly, and thin dried soft matrix band is placed and wedged. Composite restoration without etching or bonding agent is applied. Shade selection should be similar to the tooth shade, and then we will take continue as a normal restoration. Indirect method. Now here we will take an impression. Impression of a preparation is made and poured with a rapidly setting dye material, and then matrix is applied and soapy mix of acrylic resin manipulated into the position of on cast, trim, and we take the set acrylic and we'll trim the margins and occlusal surfaces and we have to develop it. Then final occlusal anatomy is developed and staining is done as the natural anatomy and structure and contour should be there in the final restoration also. Then this is completed and provisional restoration ready for cementation. Doing indirect restoration, that is self-curing acrylic is used, can be used directly on fabricated or can be used directly, or we can fabricate outside like the previous method. We can fabricate it outside and then we can cement it to the cavity. The free monomers and heat are harmful to pulp. Time of fabrication is more, but the advantage is accuracy and appearance and function. Now coming to ProTemp, fracture resistance and toughness is the advantage of this material. Quick intraoral set, total set time of only 5 minutes, smooth, and the final appearance will be smooth glossy surface, requires no polishing. Now the composition is barium glass, fumed silica, methacrylate, monomers, catalyst, and stabilizers. Now coming to veneers, aesthetic pre-evaluation temporary. Now the transparent template or translucent silicon impression is made from wax up before tooth preparation, filled with flowable composite, seated on unprepared teeth and light cured. Different depth of existing tooth structure is in relation to final outcome. Now coming to the temporaries in endodontics. First one is temporary filling materials. Certain indication demands the purpose is that it should seal the access cavity between visits, prevent contamination of root canals, and prevent leakage of intracanal medicaments. The requirement should be impervious to fluid, hermetically seal the access cavity, harden with few minutes after insertion, withstand forces of mastication, be easy to manipulate and remove. Now coming to Cavit, it's a premix non-eugenol paste, contains sedano, sedanes, CaSO4, glycol acetate, polyvinyl acetate, polyvinyl chloride acetate, triethanolamine, red pigments. Now the setting is initiated by saliva and water. Because of water sorption, higher linear setting expansion is there, provide better seating in the cavity walls. Because of expansion, there will be a rise of restoration and there will be hyperocclusion. So we should take care. Term: temporary endodontic restorative material. Composite. It is made of composite resin material, and the composition is UDMA resin polymer, inorganic fillers, pigments, and initiators. It will set under visible light curing. Ability to provide good seal even in shallow depths of 1 to 2 mm is the advantage. Now coming to the advantage, provides quick seal, no mixing, ease of placement, moist free seal, ease of removal. Now coming to pre-endodontic restorations, several techniques has been used to overcome the problem. The first one is a deep breaching clamp. Placing clamp breaks on gingival tissue, cementing a and the need should be prevents marginal leakage, increase tooth surface area for clamp stability, preventing further caries of or fracture. Thank you.